Hi there, Alison here. Welcome back to the channel. We are here visiting one more exhibition. So today we are in the Ningbo Lighting Exhibition 2026 edition. So we came to visit and check it out what kind of innovative products we can find here related to LED for a lot of types of environments. So let's check it out what kind of innovative products you can find here. Let's go. I have found this factory here. They have so many interesting types of lights. So they have like outdoor lights to put out the house with yellow lights, white lights they can produce for you if you want. Have a look at the models they have. So very nice ones and very interesting. So this side here, they have lights for indoor, like dining room or bedrooms, different designs, different shapes, and to make your house much more beautiful. And look at that. So they also have the fans with their LED on the top. So it's very interesting factory. If you are interested, so just drop a comment. I'll get in touch with them. Another very interesting factory I found here. Very good products. So they have like 3D lightings and very flexible. Look, you can twist it. You can bend it in the shape that you want to do. And one more thing very interesting. You can also just cut it and the LED is still working. Look at that. Very nice, huh? Very nice. Very cool product. I really love it. And she was telling me they have also flexibility not only on their product, but also in their orders. So the MOQ for this product is only 500 meters. So very affordable and very nice. So the other lights they also have, that one is similar as this one here, flexible neon. So we can put it in the shapes of the buildings, put shapes, you can use the imagination or adapt it to your projects. Also for swimming pools, so they are also waterproof, very nice. And for outdoor lightings, for the walls, for example, walls decoration, they have these types here. All of them waterproof, IP65, 67, and also the product that is very interesting is this model here. So this design here, you can put on the ground and you can even step on it. Very resistant, very, very good factory, very interesting product. Have a look what else you can do with this type of LEDs. So can you see the shaping? You can design it the way you want. Use for decoration, in maquettes or whatever it is, and design of your house or building or whatever it is. So if you're interested, drop a comment. So I'm here with Anna, and she has different types of Bluetooth ceiling speakers, and she's going to introduce to us her products. Anna, can you introduce us your product?
Okay, our product is speaker, and it includes a track speaker and wall-mounted speaker and ceiling speaker. It can install ceiling.
Okay, it's very interesting.
Okay.
So for example, this one here can just put on the tracks.
Yeah.
So where can you use your products? For example, which kind of shops or cinemas, where can you use it?
Yeah, it can use to some clothes shop.
Clothes shop?
Yeah.
Cinemas?
Maybe some coffee shop.
Coffee shop, clothing shop. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
very interesting.
Yeah.
So, and what's the power of these speakers? For example, this one here.
The power is 20 watts.
20 watts?
Yeah.
All right.
And this power is 30 watts.
30 watts. Okay.
Yeah.
And what about that ones? Are those ones for wall mounted?
Wall-mounted speaker. Yeah. It can direct with our room.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
All right, guys, if you're interested in speakers, just get in touch.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. I have found this factory here with very interesting products. So normally you used to see that boards, LED boards with like a very thick and rectangle or square for LED. But this product is very innovative. So look at this. You can change the shape. It's very, very flexible. And the most interesting features of this product is that you can change the size you want. That's the manufacturer to produce them, the size you want. And also, they also have an app. Look at this app. So you can customize the letters or the images that are going to appear there. If you want just letters, you just type the letters here straight away. Or you can just preset the pictures they already have in their app. Look at this. It's already changing here. They have presetted images already. So, and as far as you change on the app, the images change there straight away. So, can you see? You can install it anywhere. It's removable. You can just remove it, remove the tape, put it anywhere. You can put it on your car, you can put it in your shop, you can put it whatever you want. And it's connected by USB. So USB you can connect to your plug or even a power bank. So very nice product, very innovative. I love this, to be honest. It's really good. So one more thing about the features they have. So in the images, if you have your own business, your burger house or a restaurant or whatever it is, so you can just ask the manufacturer to send to adjust your design and include your design in their app, and they're going to include it here, and then you're going to be able to find your design in here on their app and change whatever you want. Very interesting product. I personally loved it, and I think it's very innovative in the market, and I think it's gonna be a product that it's gonna be a trend. Really good. So if you wanna get in touch with the factory, just drop a comment. This LED Fair is very nice, a very different types of products, and I found here one factory that looks so beautiful. Lights, look at these trees. So for decoration, they're so good and it looks so nice, so beautiful. And look at this portal. Perfect for using for a wedding, for example, some sort of events. You can use lights like this to form a cascade that looks so good as well. For decoration is really beautiful. So they also have other options here, like indoor decoration, like the trees, more down here. A lot of options. The factory can design it the way you want. They can produce OEM, ODM, and look at these firework effects for lights. Very nice. So besides that, they also have other types of trees, for example, like these ones for Halloween. So they can also customize this sort of trees for different events like Christmas, Easter, Halloween, or whatever you want to do. So this is really nice, very well recommended factory here in China, really good. This factory produces candle warmers. This product is very nice because first of all, you don't need to use fire. So the light coming from the candles, it's gonna warm up the candles here, and then the smell will come up. So you don't know what I'm feeling here. Very good smell. So very nice product for to use for your office or to use in the bedroom or in the living room or even in the toilet. So this is really nice. Here, this factory, they can produce all designs you want. So if you want OEM, they already have their standard designs. So you can use their own designs to work with, or they can design it for you. So they can produce ODM as well. So really good. The minimum order for this product is 200 pieces. So very affordable, very easy to purchase. Very nice. So look around what their designs. You can customize for seasoning products as well, like Christmas, Easter, Halloween. Very nice factory. We are coming to the end of this video. We visited the 2026 edition of Ningbo LED exhibition. So I hope you liked what you saw here today. Subscribe to the channel to do not miss the next videos. See you next one.